Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to TCS Ninja hiring dry run check. If you completed IRC successfully or you completed IRC check successfully completed. So this is the second step, that is called the dry run check DRC. So in this video we discuss about what is DRC, how to complete DRC, completed IRC but not receive mail of DRC. Is DRC is mandatory? I missed DRC, effect on actual exam. 250 plus queries solved. I got so many queries on Instagram and so many queries on some social media platform that please make video on DRC dry run check. So this video is very useful for 2022 batch. So let's start the video. All your queries will be solved. This type of mail will be come to candidate like Dear Urvesh Patel, you had chosen to write the TCS National Qualifier test exam in remote assessment mode at home. Your participation in dry run check is a mandatory step to check your system readiness for you to allowed to take the exam remotely from home. You are being invited as initial set of DRC participants. So there is an first important point that if you not got any mail of DRC, so don't worry, this is some initial set of DRC participants mail. They are continuously sending mail to candidates for the DRC check. Okay, so first point is that what is the infrastructure readiness check? As already discussed in the video that it is a check that check your system and internet bandwidth speed. So the IRC and DRC is both the check. First is infrastructure readiness check. If you completed successfully, like, so after that you will got the mail, but it will also send it in the batches form. Okay, because the mail sent by TCS team is just to initial set of participants. So in this step, ensure that your system and internet bandwidth and speed are checked against the requirement of taking the remote assessment. Okay, so operating system, version of required software installed, adequate internet, appropriate camera installation. Okay, so these steps are planned over a 3-day period so that every examiner can get this check as per their convenience. Okay, so once complete this step will ensure that your infrastructure is ready for the exam. Like after the infrastructure, after dry run check, there is an actual exam. Okay, so this is the important point, and it is important to take you the DRC for both the section cognitive and programming. This is to ensure that your computer laptop is suitable to take both cognitive and programming test. Okay, and one important point, if you completed the IRC on one laptop, okay, so give the DRC check on the same laptop, not the other laptop, because it's lead to some problem that IRC check is also already completed in the first laptop. If you not opted to appear for programming, you can only attend cognitive section and skip the programming section. In case you have opted to appear for other subject or variants, you can still do your system check by attempting the cognitive section and exit the assessment. You can take this DRC only as per the schedule. You will not be able to access beyond the shift time. Hence, make sure you start the mock as per the registration time given below. Direct link to access the mock exam given below is DRC link is that, and your username, your password. DRC date is 5th September. The time is DRC registration time is candidate can start registering 60 minutes prior to the above mentioned DRC shift start time. Important note, exam registration will start 60 minutes prior to the exam start time. Make sure to complete the self-registration process within the registration window time falling. Okay, so there is very important point that you have to do, you have to just complete your registration in given the time. What is the system requirements? This is the some system requirement. If you want some videos for further details, so you can just click on that. This is the detailed PDF from TCS NQT team. You can just complete the DRC and IRC check. What is the steps to launch the exam, and this is the launchers file download. You can download and give the exam. Okay, so this is the complete step that you have just to do for the IRC and how you can complete for the IRC. if you completed DRC, if you completed IRC but not receive mail, wait for some time. DRC is mandatory, it is just related for system check. Okay, so I hope this video is useful for everyone, because in the previous video most of the candidates say that sir please sir can you explain in English so that all students can understand clearly, and thank you for your kind information. So you can just visit, you can just check the complete video, and if you have any another doubt you can drop your query in the comment section. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Thanks for watching the video.